Some furniture tries too hard. Flashy shapes, big promises. This futon does something quieter and more practical. The Homall fabric futon sofa bed shows up with modest expectations and ends up doing exactly what it should, which is surprisingly rare. The design is clean and modern, nothing loud, nothing awkward. Soft fabric paired with chrome-plated metal legs gives it a simple, almost disciplined look. It fits naturally into apartments, offices, dorm rooms, craft rooms, or any space where every square foot has to earn its keep. Despite the compact footprint, the frame feels solid and confidently supports daily use, rated to hold up to 550 pounds without complaint. Assembly is refreshingly fast. About 20 minutes is enough to go from box to functional furniture. The instructions are not perfect and can be confusing in spots, but the overall process remains manageable. Once the legs are on and the cushions are in place, the futon feels stable and ready. Small details are easy to miss at first, like the cup holders and pillows tucked neatly inside a zipper compartment in the seat. It feels like a small reward for paying attention. The adjustable backrest defines how this futon is used. 3 positions allow it to shift between sofa, lounger, and flatbed without effort. The mechanism clicks smoothly into place and feels reliable rather than flimsy. The removable armrests serve double duty as pillows, making the transition from sitting to sleeping simple and intuitive. Nothing feels forced or over-engineered. Comfort is firm, not gently firm. Properly firm. This is not a couch that swallows people whole. Sitting feels supportive, upright, and structured. For short breaks, studying, watching TV, or working at a laptop, the firmness helps posture instead of fighting it. For sleeping, the experience depends on expectations. The futon feels closer to a supportive mattress than a plush bed. Some people will want extra blankets for padding. Others, especially those who prefer a firmer surface or need better back support, may find it surprisingly restorative. Size matters here. As a bed, it is closer to a short twin. Shorter users fit comfortably. Taller users should expect feet to extend beyond the edge. This is not a guest bed meant to disappear a 6-foot adult without compromise. It is a practical solution for occasional sleeping, naps, late nights, or small spaces where a full bed would be excessive. The seat height sits at a comfortable middle ground for average heights, though taller users may find extended sitting less ideal over long periods. The futon's lightweight build makes it easy to move, reposition, or slide onto a rug to protect floors. That mobility is part of its appeal. This is furniture that adapts instead of anchoring a room permanently. Fabric quality exceeds expectations for the price. It feels durable, wipes clean easily, and holds its shape well. The button tufting adds visual structure, though it can occasionally catch on clothing, a minor irritation rather than a deal breaker. The cup holders are a welcome bonus, functional without being intrusive, and easy to hide when not needed. This futon shines brightest when judged fairly. It is not pretending to be a luxury sofa or a full-size bed. It is a smart, affordable, multi-use piece designed for real-life constraints. Small rooms, tight budgets, changing needs. It works especially well for students, first apartments, home offices, or anyone who wants flexibility without investing in bulky furniture. The Homall fabric futon sofa bed succeeds because it knows its role. Firm, functional, compact, and dependable. It doesn't ask for admiration. It earns appreciation through usefulness, night after night, sit after sit, doing exactly what it promised without drama.